Cryptocurrency can seem complex, but let's break it down. Crypto is a type of digital currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes transactions more transparent and potentially more secure. So, how can you buy crypto? First, you'll need to choose a reliable exchange, like Coinbase or Binance. These platforms allow you to trade your traditional money for cryptocurrencies. Once you create an account, you can link your bank account or use a credit card to purchase popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Many exchanges also offer mobile apps, making it easy to trade on the go. Now, you might be wondering, how can you make money with crypto? There are a few ways. You can trade cryptocurrencies, taking advantage of market fluctuations to buy low and sell high. You can also invest for the long term, hoping the value increases over time. Some people earn crypto through mining, which involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems and verify transactions on the blockchain. Others participate in staking, where you lock up your crypto to support the network and earn rewards. However, it's important to understand some downsides. Crypto can be highly volatile, with prices swinging wildly in short periods. This can make it a risky investment. It's also still relatively new and unregulated, which can lead to security risks and scams. Always do thorough research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider using hardware wallets to store your crypto securely. Lastly, be aware of common misconceptions. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, knowledge, and a willingness to accept potential losses. It's essential to stay updated with market trends and news that can impact the value of your investments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what other topics you'd like me to cover. Happy investing!